Hello student, today we will do question number 2 from exercise 2, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 2, uh, each of A and B open a recurring deposit account in a bank. If A deposited rupees 1200 per month for 3 years and B deposited rupees 1500 per month for 2.5 years. Find on maturity who will get more amount and by how much. The rate of interest paid by the bank is 10% per annum. So first we will find for A. For A, maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. This is so P is equal to here 1200 N for 3 years means 36 months plus 1200 into 36 into 37 into 2 into 12 into 10, rate is 10 by 100. So this will be cut, this will be cut. 12, 36, 6 means 18. This will be 12, 6 is 72, 14, 15. This 0 plus, if you will multiply this, then we will get 6660. So this will be rupees. We'll add this, then it will be 49,860. This is, and for B, my maturity value is equal to this is 1500 and N is 30 plus 1500 into 30 into 31 by 2 into 12 into 10 by 100. This will be 45,000, and this, if you divide this, this will be cut. 5 3 3 6 6 5 just 30, 6 2 12, 0 this will be cut. 6 5 the 30, 6 2 12, 2 5 the 10. If you will solve this, so we will get 5812.50. If we will add this, so we will get rupees 5812.50. So we see that the B is more, maturity value of a B is more, and by how much? So if we will subtract 5812.50 minus this is marketing value of this maturity value 49860 equal to rupees 952.50. So answer will be maturity value for B and B for B is more by rupees 952.50. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.